Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be navigating through the old parts of the YBA. It's gonna be a bit longer than the other tutorials. I should say, do not be mindful of the darkness in my camera. I'm recording this in the night, but let's keep it on regardless, and let's get to the end of the tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is to click the school we are affiliated with. In this case, I'm clicking Adeleke University, and immediately the app is going to pop up. And on the sidebar, we get to see the different departments already arranged based on the faculty. There are different faculties in this particular institution. We have the Faculty of Business and Social Sciences. I get to see all the departments underneath, and engineering, same with the law. And also we can see the graduating class guys talking about the leaders. We have the graduating class committee as well as the graduating class executive. If you look at the images, they are loading, but it's definitely gonna pop up. For me, my internet, my powers be a bit slow, but definitely is loading up. When I click on the AI chat, for example, I can ask any question about the institution. For example, I'm gonna ask this, who is the SCG president? So I'm gonna say, who is the SCG president? You can ask almost any questions ranging from the extracurricular activities in the institutions, who founded the school, when was the school founded, the names of the lecturers, the names of the professors. So it's a very, very interactive part of the application where which knows almost anything about your institution. So in few seconds, it's gonna pop up the information of the SCG president for the 2025-2026 sets. I'm gonna give you a few more seconds. Request took too long, server busy. Okay, this is just because there's been a delay from the back end, but usually if I scroll up, you can see he's answered some of my past questions. So that's what the AI chat does. Because of time, I won't be repeating the question, but be rest assured it works and it's gonna answer any questions you ask. I'm gonna go back to the student menu, and I clicked on the top right, and I want to show you guys the school's background information, where you can find informations about the core values, the population chart, the history of the school. Oops, sorry about that. The history of the school, extracurricular activities, images about the area views of the institutions. Because of time, I won't go through that one by one. Then we have the convocation page as well. This is where you see information about the convocation period of the 2025-2026, the speeches and the speakers. You have more informations like the honoraries, like the first class graduates. Also, you have more informations about the amount of students graduating. Also, you have informations about the institution itself. On the app bar, when we have the view PDF, when I click on that, the app is going to generate all the informations I've shared in this particular convocation page into a PDF format for those that want to download into their phones, or for those that want to view in PDF. So it's taking a minute to do this, but it's definitely going to pop it up, and you can get see more information about the institutions in a PDF format. Oh, there we go. So we have the table of contents, you have about the institutions, and as you keep scrolling down, you get to see the informations you rather see in the ad cover, and you have a particular part that shows all the graduates for this particular set. So it's a long list. I won't bore us with this, so I'll just close it for now. Then we go to another part of the applications. For example, the GC week, where we have students images of their GC week. In this case, the Adeleke University graduates. If you click on any of them, you can easily view uh, all the full size of the image, and you can scroll left or right to view more information about the GC week images. So it's taking a minute to pop up, but definitely uh the network issue. is the one preventing this from opening right now. But this is something you can easily view all the images of the institutions during the GC week. Um, Another thing I would like to show us about is the profile of the students. So yeah, the network is a bit tricky, so that's why it's taking a minute to load up the image. But we can see the autobiography of this particular student, and we can easily open it up and you know add more information about this particular person. But in this case, I won't be doing that. I'm just gonna close it up. I'm just gonna close it up. All right, thank you so much. Um, that's about the YBA. I'm trying to make it very short so we won't take too much time. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments in this YouTube page and watch out for the next tutorial. Thank you.